Hello guys, and today we are doing some code. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the code side by side, and I have a starter page for everything that you'll need and a link in the description. So let's get started. This is what it's looking like so far. This is 116 blocks of code, so I might have to make a part 2 for this. Now you want to make two variables. There's going to be 4 in all. You want to make boss health, lives, scroll X, and Y speed. When you have those down, you want to drag a set and another one. You want to put Y speed on the top, scroll X on the bottom. Now what you want to do is you want to take a forever block. So that's a set Y2 block. So you want to scroll until you see this block. I'll change that to 10. Put it in the forever loop. My position, right there. This plus is in here, the top one in operators. You want to change these two things to 10 and 10. Now I want to put Y position there, and Y speed on the opposite side of it. So if you're watching this over here, you can see that, place that there. I think I put that on wrong. Okay, now let's pause this and get back to it. After that, you want to change my speed by minus 0.8. Now you want to get an if, 2 if blocks, one here, one under it. And with the starter pack that I added, these colors are why do you have that? Oh, okay. Now this makes sense. So what you want to do is you want to go to here, press this thing down here, hover over Sonic's blue parts, like that. Now what you want to do is exactly what I'm doing for the color. See, brightness, I'm seeing these and putting them into this one. So everything's done correctly. Now showing you all the colors. There's this one. So you can pause the video at any time. You also need this one. And when you're done with doing that, you put a set Y speed. You set Y speed to 6. And now what you want to do is you want to duplicate what you just did. Go to operations, select the not, place your code in there, and place it in the if then block. And you want to set Y speed to 0. And that is this piece of code done. Again, when you are done with this, you can duplicate and duplicate, and you can use this color. You have to use this color and this color. but these are not the ones that you need. You need the touching color. So that means you have to change this. .38 and change saturation up to 100. Change brightness to 80. And boom, see? And now another one. So it's color 16. So it has to be saturation of 100. And then brightness of 38. And boom. That's these two. Now you want to get, while you're still here, key space pressed. Then you need a forever loop. And one green flag is clicked. And then or and block. You can just put those two together. And put that there. Put that there. And you put that there. Now you want an if block. Or an if then block. Included with the starting thing in the description, you get all of the variables and you get all of the costumes. So you want to go down and set Y speed to 13. Switch costume to Sonic jumping 1. Wait 0 seconds. Switch costume to Sonic jumping 2. Now we want to duplicate these two colors and replace it with a wait until. I'm going to place a wait until. Go to operators. Pick or. Touching that color. Touching this color or that color. So now we grab a green cell, clicked forever, and a repeat until. You want to go to operators, choose this option, type in the number minus 3190, that stays blank, and drag in scroll X. Now in if then, two if thens, and make sure it looks like this. Now key right arrow and key left arrow. So you have right here and left right here. Left goes on bottom, right goes on top. For right arrow, point direction 90. For left arrow, point direction minus 90. Change scroll X by minus 10 for right arrow. Duplicate that. Change that to 10. And that is this piece of code done. Now, everything that you just did here, you want to duplicate and delete these two on the duplicated. Move 10 steps and move 10 steps. Now we will have two broadcasts which are run. You go to new message and you type in run. These will have no use. So now the last three pieces of code for Sonic. The rest is going to be a breeze. So when green flag is clicked, go to look, set, that says colored, but we want it to ghost. Now you want another forever block. Now you want to change lives by -1. I'll give you a second to make a variable lives. When you are done with that, you want to copy this ghost effect or under it, set ghost effect to 60. Now, what we want to do is there is going to be a few, but we want to drag wait 0.3 seconds, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate both of these, and then just have them in a neat pile while we wait to use them. We need one, duplicate all your stack. So then you should have this stack right here for when we need them. Duplicate. What we're doing right now is when Sonic gets hurt. We need another one. So I can just duplicate that. Hold on guys, 1 second. And we're back. And when you are done, it should look like that. This really wasn't used because I forgot you can duplicate. You can delete that if you have any extras. But it looks like mine is nope. But there is an if block and a touching color. So what you want to do is go to, so want to make it color 9. And now you want to make the saturation 100. And the brightness 61. Now put that in that if then block. So then yours should look like this. Now this is for when Sonic runs out of lives. When green flag is clicked, wherever, if variable lives, give you a second to make that. Okay, now this 0 went to hide and stop all. So then you got your little block of code here. The final one piece of code for Sonic. When green flag is clicked, a forever block, if then block, go to operators, or go to sensing, left arrow, right arrow. I'm going to place that left arrow in the front, right arrow in the back. Now you have to get the pack for all of these running animations and every other animation. So what you want to do is you want to switch costume to Sonic running 1. Wait. 0.001 second. Now we can duplicate this. Six times. And okay. Now I'll change this to Sonic running 2, Sonic running 3, Sonic running 4, Sonic running 5, and Sonic running 6. Now you want to switch costume to Sonic standing. That is Sonic's code all done. When you're done with Sonic, he should be able to move, jump, and walk. We're going to be adding the floor and everything else in the next part.